Hey there. So let's talk about hosting your web pages using Google Hosting. Well, yeah, in a way, they let you host your web pages on Google servers. So yeah, you get to host your web pages on Google servers. Yeah. But how does that sorcery works? I mean, it's like any webmaster's dream to imagine the uptime. There is no like Google never goes down, like one of those things. So and then the uptime, and the page load time. It's phenomenal. What else do you want from life? I mean, if you Google start providing you, uh, yeah, you have the Blogger website, but then Blogger has so many restrictions that you cannot. Their native content management system, there's very little room for making changes. There isn't, the thing that you can do in WordPress, you cannot do in Blogger. Anyways, coming back to this topic where you can host your web pages on Google Drive. So as you can see here, uh, you go to Google Drive, you select a file. It has to be a HTML, CSS, JavaScript file, and you click on the share button. You go to advanced, you click on change, and then you make it public on the web. It will give you a link to share, just like if you share a file with somebody on Google Drive. So it's something similar to that, but it's just that it will be a website file. So that's how the URL will look like. So that way you can, of course, surprise, surprise. You cannot use your own URL. You will be using this. So it's like a free, but still, there are people who will abuse this, I'm pretty sure, and they did that. Very few people knew about this, by the way. I don't know why they do it. They should really work on their marketing skills, or perhaps they didn't want it to overwhelm their servers, but of course, who are we kidding? We all know about Google Plex. It's like next to infinity. So, but anyways, Google Plus is there. Mm, Anyways, recently they got the 4chan guy. I hope he turned things around for them, but I can't be that sure. Anyways, the bad news is, they won't be providing this feature August 31st, 2016. They will be discontinuing the service. So, yeah, that's a bummer. Anyways, it's just that, it's a very frequently asked question that, does Google provide you the service? Yes, they do, but they're going to discontinue it, and then this is how your website URL will look like. So that was the answer to the question, the very frequently asked question that, does Google provide web hosting? They, in a sort of, does, but that's what it is. So I will see you with some other interesting video. Till then, have fun. See you around.